This time around, I'm longing for things to be different for me. I'm finding it hard to open my eye and find enough to see. Those life than nothing seems all the same. Together then apart, then move on, don't know who's really to blame. Why is it that shortly after the night we consummated our relationship, we soon took the final steps before consecrating our relationship? I have heard it all before, but this time I want more. I desire to have a love I feel is due to me, not settling for less than happiness. I wanna be able to look into someone's eyes and feel truly blessed. Having the mere thought of him near me take away my breath. I know that this phase that I'm going through now is just a test to see if I'm ready to love, ready to venture into the depths and take what's rightfully mine, to not search, just allow things to take their time to progress into something that's for me. To share with someone all the heart, shape me all the heart. Play the baddest one, the baddest and kiss something this one. To share with someone all of my heart. Each day I plead to the next one, the only one that I will ever need, that will give me his all, and my hunger for love feed, giving me the amount needed to balance out this sanity, and at the same time my insane call out to love, asking why can't I have the one I want? Why must I live each day while you taunt? Taking my mind on rides of visualizations my body cannot have at this time. When can he be mine? When can I say this is the one? Why does my future seem over before it has begun? When is my silver lining around this dark cloud gonna come? Because this in and out of love ain't fun. Can't say when it's gonna happen, but what is meant for me will be given. And it is because of this mere thought resting in the back of my mind, I'm out aimlessly in the direction of love again, driven. I didn't have to search the world. The whole time love was waiting inside of me. I used to search in the mirror and only see the missing pieces. Mistakes mark my memory. Scars told stories I never wanted to read. But one day I whispered to the mirror, I still love you. And something shifted. I found me in love, not in a body I gave, not the praises I chased. I found me in grace, fell for the broken parts and loved them into place. Found me in love, found me grace. I tried to earn love, played their games for it, went through grief for it, bend myself into versions they wanted. But now I breathe, and I am enough. That's all the proof I need. Your art is a fish pond, phenom. So far, je le constructé à compter. On sait that on my soul, the proof I find. Is it found to finish line? Is it a fountain inside? When I pour into me, I overflow divine. I found me in